Maersk container ship broke off her moorings, contacted another container ship in Livorno. Container ship Maersk Sheerness broke off her moorings by strong wind gusts at Livorno, Italy in the afternoon Jan 24, drifted and contacted berthed container ship Chacabuco. Both ships didn't sustain any visible damages, both were free to navigate after inspection. Container ship Maersk Sheerness, IMO 9,299,939, DWT 97,536, capacity 7,500 built 2006, flag Singapore. Container ship Chacabuco, IMO 9,295,957, DWT 68,228, capacity 5,527 built 2006, flag Liberia, manager HAPAG-LLOYD AG.